How to earn money using YouTube. Step by step guide for beginners. First, set up your channel properly. Create a Google account. Go to youtube.com and click create a channel. Choose a niche or topic you are passionate about. Like example, technology, food, education, entertainment. Use custom branding like DP, banner and a good channel description. Post a channel trailer to introduce your content. Create quality content. Focus on value and consistency. Make videos that solve problems, entertain or educate. Maintain audio visual clarity and subtitles and use attractive thumbnails. Stick to a posting schedule weekly or twice a week, etc. Grow your subscribers and watch time. To earn from YouTube ads, you need to meet 1000 subscribers, 4000 watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million short views in the last 90 days for shorts monetization. Join the YouTube partner program. Once eligible, go to YouTube Studio Monetization. Apply for YouTube partner program. Link your AdSense account. Accept the terms and conditions. Ways to earn money on YouTube. Ad revenue. Earn money from ads shown before, during or after your videos. Earning depends on CPM and audience location. Channel membership. Subscribers can pay monthly for exclusive badges, emojis and perks, super chat and super stickers. During live streams, fans can pay to highlight their messages. Merch sell. Sell your own merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, etc. YouTube Shorts Fund. Short monetization. Earn money from viral short videos under 60 seconds. Affiliated marketing. Promote products or services with the affiliated links in description. You get paid for every purchase made via your link. Sponsorship and brand deals. Partner with the brands for paid promotions inside your videos. Selling your own products or courses. Promote digital courses, ebooks or services you offer. Optimize your videos for more views. Use SEO friendly titles. Write detailed description with the keywords. Add hashtags and end screens and info cards. Share videos on social media, WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. Important tips. Never use copyrighted content like music, video, images. Avoid clickbait or misleading titles. Always follow YouTube community guidelines. Reused or AI generated content without value will not be monetized. Final thoughts. Earning money from YouTube takes time, consistency and smart work. But once you build audience and trust, you can generate multiple sources of income from just one platform. Even small channels today earn through affiliated marketing, sponsorship and paid courses. So don't wait, start your YouTube journey now. Repurpose your YouTube content. Convert YouTube videos into Instagram Reels, Facebook videos, TikTok Shorts, blog posts. This increase visibility and drive traffic back to your channel. Understand your audience. Use YouTube Studio to track watch time, click-through rate, audience retention, subscriber growth. Tailor content based on what your views like and watch the most. Use free and paid tools to improve. Use tools like Canva for thumbnails, TubeBuddy for SEO optimization, Audacity for cleaning audios, CapCut or InShot for editing mobile videos, OBS Studio for screen recording. Create playlist and series. Group similar videos into playlist. Helps increase session watch time and get recommended more. Example, YouTube income tips part 1, 2, 3. Collaboration with other creators. Partners with other small creators in your niche helps you tap into each other's audience, can be interviews, debates, challenges, etc. Make regional or multilingual content. Tamil, Hindi, Telugu have huge YouTube audience. Consider making the same content in multiple language or adding subtitles. Join YouTube affiliated networks. Some networks like Share, Impact or Amazon pay you commission for product referrals. You can earn even if your channel not monetizes with ads. Offer freelance services via YouTube. If you have skills like graphic design, video editing, voiceover, programming, promote your freelance services on YouTube. Add your contact or email in the description. Podcasting via YouTube. Start a video podcast on YouTube. Cross upload on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Opens new monetization and sponsorship options.